Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then on this device you have only two different resolutions. You have just normal resolution, which you can access just by enabling normal photo mode, and you have high resolution, which you can enable by going to more and pick high resolution here. So yeah, 4 photos in high resolution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.